quesadilla. So doing a little venison for us today again. Last one I did was the little venison bowl deal, and this one's gonna be a smoked roast. This is a kind of like a little ball roast, you know. If you're skinning the deer, you know exactly what little muscle I'm talking about, but it looks just like a kind of little football deal. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna smoke it for probably about 2-3 hours, and then I'm gonna bring it in, put it in the crock pot with some onions and jalapenos and peppers and a bunch of other stuff, garlic. Let it slow cook for a while till it gets super tender and I can shred it up, and then we're gonna throw it on a quesadilla. So start off by putting this little binder on there with a little washy sister salt. And now we'll do some Uncle Steve's on there, just a good old original, my good old favorite go-to for sure. If you're not cooking with Uncle Steve's, what are you doing with your life? There we go. Put a nice heavy coat on this. This is pretty thick. Could have went with a thick meat, but it's hard to beat the original. So here we go. Nice good layer on there. So I'm gonna let this rest and let my fire get on and settle out and temperature settle out, and then we'll put it on. Alrighty, y'all, let's get it out there. Put her on. There we go. Got it in the center. Running right at 300. I'm easing on down about 275. So let it go about 2-3 hours, and I'll see y'all back. See y'all. Well, alrighty, y'all. So it smoked it for 2 hours there. You can see it right here, looking really good. It smells good. The bark's set up good on it, so it got the color that I want. So now I'm gonna put it in my crock pot here. So I already got some peppers and onions, a little garlic there chopped up. Chunk that in on the bottom. Now put in my roast there. Then I got a jar of some jalapenos I'm gonna put in there, juice and all. There we go. Then I got some better than bouillon, some of the seasoned vegetable base. I'm gonna get me out a nice little helping of it. Throwing in my jar there. I'm gonna get me some hot water and get it mixed up to pour in over it. There we go. Get that poured in. I'm gonna fill it on up with water to about cover it there. Then I'm gonna let it cook for probably close to 4 hours till it's good and shredded and tender. And then I'll get it out, mix it with the juices, shredded it up, and then we'll start on our good old quesadilla. So get this going and I'll see y'all. Alrighty, y'all, got it done. Took about 6 hours. Smoked it for 2 hours out there, and I used the B&B briquette charcoal, 2 chunks of apple wood. Smoked it right at that 250, 275. I stayed at that for the 2 hours, then brought it into the slow cooker on high for 4 hours, and then I had the onions and the peppers and garlic, and then I threw in a stick of butter too, I forgot to say, and then I did that better than bouillon. So got my good old quesadilla starting in here. Got my tortilla, got some Munster cheese is what I'm using, and then I got my meat shredded up that I'm gonna throw in here around, and then I got the peppers and onions that I cooked down, that it cooked in too. That's gonna go in there. Throw a few of them around. I got some bacon grease in the skillet to help crisp it up a little bit and to get good flavoring in there. Throw me a little bit more meat on, spread it around. So this is just gonna basically warm up, get browned up, and then I'll fold it up on itself, and then boom, there we go, and we'll be chowing down. So I'll get this cooked on up, and I'll see y'all in a second. Well, alrighty, y'all, got it done there. Maybe y'all can see it. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice and crispy. Get it a little cross section cut. There we go. See if we can get a cheese pull. Maybe we can. Yeah, there's a little bit right there. Nice. Nice little cross section. Oh yeah. Ah, gonna be good. Going to be good. So again with the deer, put the Wash Your Sister sauce on it as a binder. Then the good old Uncle Steve's original. Smoked it for the 2 hours. Back in for the 4 hours. And then shredded it and put it together here. Took a little time, but gonna be good. So let's go in. That Monster cheese was a good choice. It's like a kind of cheddary Swiss kind of taste to me, but with that kind of melty pull of mozzarella. So good cheese. That deer is really, really tender. Still got a decent amount of moisture in it. Nice smokiness, sweetness, and savoriness, because them peppers are a little sweet. And then you get the savoriness with the Uncle Steve. You get the richness with the butter. Then you get all the peppers and onions just having fun together, and that garlic coming through. If y'all got a venison roast, definitely do this with it. Or you can keep it shredded like that, do a little barbecue sauce, and you got some barbecue for a barbecue sandwich there too. Shred it up like this for tacos, whatever you want to do. But quesadillas was what for me today. I'm gonna chow on down on the rest of this and make me quite a few more probably. So hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all like, share, and subscribe if you want to. If you haven't already, when you do, you're welcome on into the Head to Tail family. We love you and welcome on in. So thank y'all again. I'll catch y'all on the next one.